Hello, today I would like to review the Travel Baby Bottle Cleaning and Drying Set. So this was delivered very quickly, so if you need something quickly, this is definitely what you want to get. First of all, the packaging is very clear with what's included, how things are used, even like the temperatures that are safe to use this product. And I got it in pink, and there's a little cute airplane. So let me show you some of the things that I love about this product. The first thing is how small and compact it is. When you're traveling, especially with kiddos, you have a million things and you don't want a lot of space taken up by different items. And this is so small, it's no bigger than a bottle that you're already taking. So this is perfect to throw in a bag and to take with you. So here is the top part that comes off, and this is your drying rack. So you'll put your bottles there as you finish. I love it that you can fit 4 and it's not going to take up a lot of space on the countertop. Then on the inside you have your different tools. So first you have a little soap dispenser where you can put your dish soap, and you have a big brush for the big part of your bottle, and this just snaps together. And these bristles are completely made of silicone, and so I love it because it's going to dry quicker and there's not going to be a lot of milk or liquids or food stuck on here, so that's amazing. You have another similar brush, but this is specifically for the nipple of your bottle, and it's really going to get in that top part that's hard to get. And then for some of the bottles that have straws or other parts that are similar to straws, you have this small brush. It's easy to hold, and this really is amazing for any kind of straw that you would need. And I love all of it, how all of it just goes in here. Even if you're in a hurry and some things may be a little wet, you can simply just put all of the tools back in, close it up, and because it is in this cup and sealed, if it was wet, then it's not going to get all of your stuff, and when you get home, you can simply rinse everything, set it out to dry, and you're good to go. So amazing product. Definitely would buy more.